We are going to cook beautiful South African dishes today in Saladmaster way. Starting our potatoes, we're going to dispatch them in our 3-quart, which is this one, and then it has got the insert that goes with it, diabetic friendly. So we're going to use our world famous Saladmaster food processor. So no need for peeling, just cut them as they are, wash nice and clean, no peeling at all, because all the vitamins are just under the skin. Our 3-quart, there's water inside here. If you can see, that's where the starch is going to go. So we put it in, turn it on, medium heat. Today we're going to use our electric skillet, which is on its own in half of the kitchen. This is a piece that everybody has. Even if they don't have the whole Saladmaster, they'll have this one. Because with it you can fry, you can grill, you can barbecue, you can slow cook, you can rice cook, you can do so many things. So now, I'm going to test if it is ready with a bit of water. When you see those dancing bits, so it means it's ready. So I've already seasoned here on the side. So I'm just going to turn it and season the other side as well. The skin is still there, it's your preference. You can remove the skin or you can leave it on. I spread another layer of paprika and turmeric. You can fry with no oil. That's it. So now we go straight in. Look at the oil. Can you see the oil coming out of the chicken? Because we took oil out of the chicken, not into the chicken. We cover it. It's 230. The temperature, we're going to time it for 15 minutes. Right. This one is called multi-purpose 5-quart. It is an amplifier. You can cook your pap in here. You can cook your simple beans. We can roast the full chicken in here. Then we can do the stew, or the potatoes as well. You can do it in here because it does everything. And then it has got a setting. You're cooking your boboti, and then when you're cooking your yellow rice, which is what you're going to cook today. So that's as easy as that. Right. So now we're going to cook rice in here. I'm going to add water, which is just going to be above the rice. Your rice. There's your rice, and then because it is yellow rice, I've got my turmeric. Then we just mix it for the turmeric to get into the rice. Simple as that. Just the rice, then rice setting, go to work, go to church, you come back, the rice will be done. And it will turn itself off. Stays hot for 45 minutes and go for 2 hours. Right, so now, this is, I turn it on. That's twice, that's rice too. That's it. We're going to use our 11-inch skillet. This is the one that you can fry, you can even do your pizza in here. And then you can cook vegetables on their own. You can mix the vegetable fresh and frozen, or just fresh on their own, or just frozen on their own. It's your preference. And then you can do boboti as well. You can do lasagna. So today we're going to fry fish with no oil. How do you like that? So I've got a fish here, which is already dried. Just add the bubbles of water. Once you see that, it means it is ready. Then we're going to go with our fish straight in. No oil, absolutely no oil. See, cooking with Saladmaster is very easy. Look at the dishes that we've already put on now. I'm going to use the 10-inch gourmet to fry our steak. And you can grill your steak here because you're not going to cover it. So it's going to be beautiful, and then you can do your pie pudding in here, and then you can do your 3-bean salad in here. Use this, okay, and then you can add your pepper and salt. It's your preference. Water, that's it. So when it's like that, we're going straight in with our steak. Now we're going to cook our pumpkin in our 9-inch skillet. This one you can bake a cake as well, and you can cook rice for 2 people. Our pumpkin is washed nice and clean. You only use the water that you've washed with, and then cover it, then put it on. So we don't have to add any sugar, no butter, nothing. We cook in the Saladmaster way, and the taste is beautiful. Mwah! It's the taste of it. So on medium heat, Look at the oil that's coming out of the chicken. As I said earlier on, we cook oil out of the chicken, not into the chicken. So you don't need any oil to fry your fish, your chicken, your meat, anything that you use in Saladmaster. You don't need to add any oil. Okay, now it's time to flip the chicken. Look at that. Look at the oil. Can you see it? Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and crispy. Look at the amount of oil. Use this oil from the chicken to do our chakalaka. How marvelous is that? Beautiful. Yeah, we're coming back to our steak. Look at it. Can you see the oil? So now we're going to turn it. Look, beautiful. It's nice and green. It's like you're using your barbecue. You know you can do your braai in the house without going outside, especially for people that are living in the apartments. You can do your barbecue in the house without any worry. Now back to our fish in the 11-inch. Look at that. Can you see? So the handles, you can just, when you are turning, that's when you use the handle. So I'm going to turn our fish. Look at that. What I'm going to do is to add the shallots onto our steak to make that beautiful gravy that we like. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Back to our Saladmaster food processor. Very easy to use. So now, here we are. So with our cheese, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It cuts the time, food preparation time by half. 3/4, you can cook your oxtail, defat the oxtail, and you can defat the mince as well in here. And you can cook your trotters in here, the legs in here. That's it. So now here is the cheese. Look at that. It's shiny because we've starched it. That's why it's so shiny like this. Then this is going to be our mashed potato. You know when we do our mashed potato, this is a very easy way. And then we put the cover on. That's it. And then it is done. And then we're coming to our chicken, our roasted chicken. Look at that. These are chicken thighs roasted in Saladmaster way. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. This is Saladmaster way. The amount of oil that's come out of the chicken is unbelievable. That's it. Our potatoes, cheesy potatoes is done. Then if you can see there underneath there, that's the water, the starch, plus the fat from the cheese. So it is done. We're going to remove it. Now we're going to cook our spinach in here with peanut butter. It's very quick. So we're just going to put it on there and then turn it on. With cone number 3, we're going to cut our onion. This is the French fry cut. Our onion. Very, very quick and simple. Very quick. You know, you get into the kitchen, you feel no time you're out. Beautiful for our chakalaka. You just remove the excess skin, then face down like this, palm down. That's it. And then it will cut your beautiful garlic. Electric skillet, then that's where we're going to fry. Look at that. I hope you like this. I hope you love this machine and you can get it absolutely free. This is the helper, the kitchen helper. So now we're going to fry our chakalaka in here. Add tomato puree here, and then we've got our spices. Turmeric, paprika, garlic, and then we've got our bouillon as well. You can add any spices it's your preference, and then our carrot, our green beans, chili for that little kick, tomato, next one. No waste. Okay, so we're going to mix everything and then cover it. 125, we're going to turn it to 125 and then it will be done. This is done now, look at that. So we're going to lift our steak and then we put the shallots underneath there to make that beautiful gravy that we like. Look at that. Now I'm going to show you our fish, which is done. We're going to turn it off as well. Look at the oil. Now our pumpkin is done in our 9-inch skillet. Look, no oil, no butter, no sugar. Our rice is almost done. So we're going to add our peppers. You can add your green peas and green peas at this time. It's your preference. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Now our spinach is done. We're going to add peanut butter. Then that's it. No hassle, no butter, no oil, just peanut butter. That's it, and then it's done. You know the South African way, you have to put the onions and mash it and do this, but this is quick. Look how quick it is. Wow, it's cooking. So that's it, it's ready. And then we're going to add our beans. Beautiful, this is the Saladmaster way. That's it, that's the final stages now. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? And then our rice, it's done. Look at that. The chicken is done. The pumpkin, there it is. And we've got our fish. And here we've got our steak. And we've got the spinach there with peanut butter and the cheesy potatoes. Wow, yummy. This is as easy as it is done. The South African dishes in Saladmaster cookware. Beautiful.